Of us, we have question number 2, first part of exercise 3.5. For which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? So the equations are 2x plus 3y equals to 7. This is the first equation. Second equation is a minus b into x, a plus b, y, 3a plus b minus 2. This is our second equation. As we have given, the equation has infinite number of solutions. And for infinite solutions, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. So here a1 is 2, a2 is a minus b, b1 is 3 and b2 is a plus b. Equals to c is minus 7. Divided by minus 3a plus b minus 2. So now we will solve this. Okay, now 2 upon a minus b equals to 3 upon a plus b. So we will cross multiply this and we will get the solution, that is 2 into a plus b equals to 3 into a minus b. So 2a plus 2b equals to 3a minus 3b. So when we solve this, we will get a minus 5b is equal to 0. So this is our third equation. Okay. Now on comparing, 3 upon a plus b equals to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. First we compare these two terms and then we compare these two terms. Okay, so here I am comparing these last two terms. So cross multiply this, 3 into 3a plus b minus 2 equals to 7 into a plus b. Now this is 9a plus 3b minus 6 equals to 7a plus 7b. So this is 2a minus 3b minus 7b is minus 4b equals to 6. This is our, you can take common 2. So a minus 2b equals to 3. So this is our fourth equation. Okay, now we will find the value of a and b with help with the equation 3 and 4 by cross multiplication method. Okay, so I am solve equation third and equation 4 for a and b by cross multiplication. So we are using cross multiplication method. Okay, now a b equals to minus 1. This is 1 minus 5, 0. This is 1 minus 2 and 3. So we will write here b1 minus 5, then B2, B2 is minus 2, C1 0, C2 3, C1 0, C2 A1, A2. Now again here B1, this is A1, sorry, A1, A2, B1, B2. Now cross multiply this. A divided by minus 3 minus 5 is 15, minus 0 this 0. B 0 minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 5. A upon 15, B upon minus 3 and minus 1 upon plus 5, this is 3. Now when we A1 by 15 is equal to minus 1 by 3, so A is equal to, this is minus 15. So here is minus also. So now A is equal to 3. And B, and for B we will compare these two terms, that is B equals to 1.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.